Welcome. Today we are looking at Customer Relationship Management, or CRM. This is a key topic in your marketing exams for SS3. Pay close attention. Let us begin. First, let me explain the meaning of Customer Relationship Management. Customer Relationship Management is the process of managing detailed information about individual customers and carefully managing all customer touchpoints to maximize customer loyalty. CRM is a business strategy. It focuses on building long-term relationships with customers. It is not just software. Software is a tool. CRM is a philosophy. It puts the customer at the center of the business. CRM involves collecting, storing, and analyzing customer data. This data is used to understand customer needs, preferences, and behaviors. It is used to tailor products, services, and communications to individual customers. The goal is to make customers feel valued. Satisfied customers become loyal. Loyal customers buy more. They cost less to serve. They tell others. They are less likely to switch to competitors. Now let me explain the importance of customer relationship management. CRM is important for several reasons. First, it increases customer loyalty. When customers feel valued, they stay. They are less likely to switch to competitors. Second, it increases customer lifetime value. A loyal customer buys from the company again and again. Over time, they become more profitable. Third, it reduces costs. Acquiring new customers is expensive. Retaining existing customers is cheap. CRM focuses on retention. Fourth, it increases cross-selling and upselling opportunities. When the company knows what a customer has bought, it can recommend related products. Cross-selling is selling additional products to the same customer. Upselling is selling a more expensive version of a product. Fifth, it improves customer service. When a customer calls, the service representative can see the customer's history. They can solve problems faster. Sixth, it provides insights for product development. Customer data reveals what customers want. The company can develop products that meet those needs. Now let me explain the components of customer relationship management. CRM has three main components. The first component is operational CRM. This automates customer-facing processes. It includes Salesforce automation, marketing automation, and customer service automation. Salesforce automation tracks leads, contacts, and opportunities. It manages the sales pipeline. It generates reports. Marketing automation manages campaigns. It tracks responses. It scores leads. Customer service automation manages support tickets. It tracks customer inquiries. It routes issues to the right person. The second component is analytical CRM. This analyzes customer data to gain insights. It uses data mining, predictive modeling, and segmentation. It identifies which customers are most profitable. It predicts which customers are likely to leave. It recommends actions to keep them. The third component is collaborative CRM. This manages customer interactions across channels. It ensures a consistent experience whether the customer contacts the company by phone, email, chat, social media, or in person. It shares customer information across departments. It breaks down silos. Now let me explain the benefits of customer relationship management. CRM has many benefits. First, improved customer satisfaction. When customers receive personalized service, they are happier. When their problems are solved quickly, they are happier. Second, increased customer retention. Satisfied customers stay. They buy again. Third, increased sales. Loyal customers buy more. Cross-selling and upselling increase revenue. Fourth, improved marketing effectiveness. Marketing campaigns can be targeted to specific customer segments. Messages can be personalized. Response rates increase. Fifth, reduced costs. It costs less to serve existing customers than to find new ones. Automation reduces labor costs. Sixth, better decision-making. Managers have access to accurate, up-to-date customer data. They can make informed decisions. Seventh, competitive advantage. A company with good CRM outperforms competitors. Customers prefer companies that know them and value them. Now let me explain the challenges of customer relationship management. CRM also has challenges. First, high cost. CRM software can be expensive. Implementation requires time and money. Training employees takes resources. Second, complexity. CRM systems are complex. They require integration with other systems. Data must be cleaned and standardized. Third, resistance to change. Employees may resist using the system. They may prefer old methods. They may not see the value. Fourth, data quality. CRM is only as good as the data it contains. If data is incomplete, inaccurate, or outdated, the insights will be wrong. Fifth, privacy concerns. Customers may not want companies to collect and store their personal data. They may feel that their privacy is invaded. Companies must be transparent and comply with privacy laws. Sixth, lack of strategy. Some companies buy CRM software without a clear strategy. They expect the software to solve problems. It does not. CRM is a strategy, not just software. Now let me explain the steps in implementing customer relationship management. Implementing CRM involves several steps. Step 1 is defining the strategy. What are the company's goals? What customer problems will be solved? What metrics will be used? Step 2 is selecting the right software. The software must fit the company's needs. It must be scalable. It must integrate with existing systems. Step 3 is cleaning the data. Customer data must be accurate, complete, and consistent. Duplicates must be removed. Missing information must be added. Step 4 is training employees. Employees must understand how to use the system. They must understand why it is important. They must be motivated to use it. Step 5 is launching the system. The system should be rolled out in phases. Start with a pilot group. Learn from their experience. Then expand. Step 6 is measuring results. Track key metrics. Customer satisfaction, retention rate, and customer lifetime value are important. Step 7 is continuous improvement. CRM is never finished. The system must be updated. Processes must be refined. Employees must be retrained. Now let me explain customer loyalty and its relationship to CRM. Customer loyalty is the tendency of customers to buy from the same company repeatedly. Loyal customers are profitable. They buy more, they cost less to serve, they are less price sensitive, they provide free advertising through word of mouth. CRM builds loyalty by creating positive experiences at every touchpoint. It ensures that customers are treated consistently and personally. It resolves problems quickly. It rewards loyal customers. Loyalty programs are a common CRM tool. Customers earn points for purchases. Points can be redeemed for discounts or free products. Loyalty programs increase retention. They also provide data about customer preferences. Now let me explain customer lifetime value. Customer lifetime value is the total profit a company expects to earn from a customer over the entire relationship. It is a key metric in CRM. Companies calculate CLV to decide how much to spend to acquire and retain customers. A customer with high CLV is worth investing in. A customer with low CLV may not be worth the effort. CLV increases when customers stay longer, buy more, and buy higher margin products. CRM aims to increase CLV by building loyalty and encouraging cross-selling and upselling. Now let me explain the role of technology in customer relationship management. Technology is essential for CRM. It enables the collection, storage, and analysis of customer data. It automates processes. It supports personalization. CRM software is the main technology. It includes modules for sales, marketing, and service. It integrates with other systems like email, social media, and e-commerce platforms. Data warehouses store customer data from multiple sources. Data mining tools find patterns in the data. Predictive analytics tools forecast customer behavior. Cloud-based CRM is increasingly popular. It is cheaper and easier to implement than on-premise software. It can be accessed from anywhere. It scales easily. A common exam question asks you to define customer relationship management and explain its importance. Here is a sample answer. Customer relationship management is the process of managing detailed information about individual customers and carefully managing all customer touchpoints to maximize customer loyalty. It is important because it increases customer loyalty, increases customer lifetime value, reduces costs, increases cross-selling and upselling opportunities, improves customer service, and provides insights for product development. CRM is a strategy, not just software. Another exam question asks you to explain the components of customer relationship management. Here is your answer. The three components of CRM are operational CRM, analytical CRM, and collaborative CRM. Operational CRM automates customer-facing processes like sales, marketing, and service. Analytical CRM analyzes customer data to gain insights. Collaborative CRM manages customer interactions across channels. Each component plays a different role. Together, they create a complete CRM system. Another exam question asks you to discuss the benefits and challenges of customer relationship management. Here is your answer. The benefits include improved customer satisfaction, increased customer retention, increased sales, improved marketing effectiveness, reduced costs, better decision-making, and competitive advantage. The challenges include high cost, complexity, resistance to change, data quality issues, privacy concerns, and lack of strategy. Successful CRM implementation requires careful planning and execution. Let me give you a quick summary. Customer relationship management builds long-term relationships with customers. It increases loyalty and lifetime value. The three components are operational, analytical, and collaborative CRM. Benefits include improved satisfaction, retention, and sales. Challenges include cost, complexity, and data quality. CRM requires a clear strategy, the right software, clean data, trained employees, and continuous improvement. This is the final topic for SS3 marketing. Keep reviewing, keep practicing. Good luck in your exams.